Meaning of hike.
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 Hike. The word hike can refer to a few different things depending on the context. One definition is a long walk in nature, usually on a trail or in the wilderness. It can also refer to an increase in something, such as prices or expenditures. The act of hiking can provide physical exercise, fresh air, and a chance to connect with nature. Hikes can range from short and easy to long and challenging, and can be enjoyed alone or with others. Overall, a hike offers an opportunity to explore and appreciate the outdoors.